In the middle of all this, testing has become a key issue as lines remain long at those state-run, county-run locations. Testing tents have started to pop up here and there.
But how do you know those sites are trustworthy? CBS 4's Bobeth Yates talked to a state official about their verification process and joins us live with that story. Bobeth?
Well, Lauren and Elliot, as you mentioned, from this week to last, more than 397,000 new cases were reported. And as those numbers increase, so are the concerns about fraud. And state officials say they have some resources to help you.
There's always reason to be concerned about fraud, obviously, especially right now during a surge in cases and a surge in testing.
Jeremy Redfern with the Florida Department of Health says the state is increasing their oversight to protect people from criminals trying to use the pandemic as a way to cash in.
The big thing that we want people to know is that it is possible to report suspected fraud, especially when it comes to anything that may be unauthorized by the FDA for testing.
Redford says that includes major concerns, like if a COVID testing site is authorized to operate or something small about the process.
Any complaints when it comes to laboratories that may be doing some sort of fraudulent activity, that can go through the Agency of Healthcare Administration. If it is suspected healthcare fraud, that can go through the HHS. And then if it has anything to do with any sort of regulated medical treatments, that's something that can be reported through the FDA.
In addition, residents are encouraged to be cautious of unexpected phone calls or visitors offering COVID-19 tests or supplies, offers or advertisements for testing on social media, and not to purchase at-home testing kits from street vendors. And Redford adds before going to a COVID-19 testing site, you should make sure that location is legitimate by visiting the state health department's website.
FloridaHealthCovid19.gov. It has sites that have been uploaded to our database by the counties. They're all vetted sites. We know that they are regulated and they are legitimate healthcare providers. And we want to make sure Floridians are using those healthcare providers that are listed.
Now, as you can imagine, there's always some room for error. So just because the site is not listed on the state's website doesn't mean it's not legitimate. You may have to cross-reference it with the federal website to make sure that it is authorized. Bobeth Yates, CBS News Tonight.